There are sellers making thousands of dollars every single month selling AI art as digital downloads on Etsy. Now, Etsy is great because it has built-in marketing. Etsy themselves will show your product to the buyers who are most likely to purchase. So you can just post listings, then kick back and relax and let Etsy market your listings for you. But what if you want a boost to get even more traffic and more sales? Well, normally that means putting your marketer hat on and posting to social media every single day, or actually running ads. And that's exactly why a little over a month ago, I released a system that posts all of your Etsy listings to Pinterest on complete autopilot. Now, Pinterest is one of the most powerful assets for any Etsy seller. Over 80% of Pinterest users say that what they see on the app actually inspires what they purchase. And the crazy thing is 96% of searches on Pinterest don't even mention a brand, which means even a brand new seller has a very real chance of landing right in front of their specific buyer. And to be fair, most digital product sellers on Etsy are extremely busy, and I totally get that, which is why I built this entire system to be as passive as possible. And today, it has officially been over a month since we launched, and almost 300 real shops have been running this thing every single day. So in this video, I'm going to share the numbers, what all that data has taught us about what actually works on Pinterest. Then we'll cover the brand new upgrades that just went live, including a new AI vision feature that I think is one of the coolest things we've ever shipped. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let's get into the numbers. Since launch, sellers have scheduled almost 44,000 pins through Downpour. Over 26,000 of those are already live on Pinterest, and they've racked up over 200,000 impressions. And right now, there are about 600 new pins going up every single day. Now, let's pause and think about what that actually means. Essentially, that's thousands of little billboards out there for your Etsy listings, working 24 hours a day, all while the sellers were literally doing anything else. Now, if you're brand new here, this is the software that I built myself when I first started selling on Etsy, and it's called Downpour, the bulk upload software for Etsy sellers. And over the past 2.5 years, it has come a long way. You can post dozens or even hundreds of listings to Etsy with one drag and drop, plus bulk editing, upscaling, mockups, Google Drive uploading, and now Pinterest on autopilot. So the real question of the hour is, why Pinterest? Well, Pinterest is not actually a real social media in the common sense. It's actually a search engine. There are 619 million people on the platform, and they're not showing up to check out birthday pictures or anything like that. They're showing up to buy. An Instagram post basically dies in 48 hours, but a good pin can keep working for months and sometimes even years. Now, the system itself is 3 steps. Autopilot picks a blend of your best listings and some of your newest listings. The AI writes and designs your entire pin, and then you approve it, and it posts itself on a schedule. And if you want a full deep dive on how all of that works, I made an entire video breaking it down, and I'll link that below. So that's the recap, and now let's get to the fun part. Because after a month of real shops posting real pins, we're sitting on data that honestly nobody else has. And some of what we found genuinely surprised me. First up is templates. Sellers using Downpour's pin templates are getting almost double the impressions per pin compared to plain image pins. Now, we spent a ton of time designing these templates in Downpour, so that is one of the stats I am the most proud of. Next up is boards, because the number one question I get is, how many boards should I have? And so far, the data gives us a really simple answer. On one hand, more boards will not get you more views. Not to say that it's bad, but sellers with just one board get seen just as much as sellers with 15. But here's the twist. The number of boards do matter for one thing, and that is saves. So what we found is when your pins are spread across a handful of boards, and each board actually matches the art on it, like your spring prints go into your spring decor board, people save those pins way more often. And saves are gold on Pinterest because a save tells Pinterest that this pin is worth showing to more people. So this is a really interesting finding, and it's a data point that we'll be keeping an eye on as time goes on. And as a side note here, we made this easy on day 1 by allowing you to match shop sections with Pinterest boards. So if you always want your spring prints to post to your spring decor Pinterest board, you can set up that mapping once, and Autopilot will do that automatically going forward. And honestly, from everything that we've seen, the biggest thing the data points to is that you shouldn't overthink this. We've seen simple one-board setups absolutely crush, and we've seen multi-niche board setups absolutely crush as well. So these two completely opposite strategies both are winning because at the end of the day, the boards are just the shelf. It's the art design itself that actually makes sales. Now, over this last month, you have all sent me some amazing feedback, wins, comments, and screenshots, and I just want to say thank you. Your feedback has directly shaped everything I'm about to show you, and it turned this into one of the most powerful updates we've ever shipped. So let's get into what's new, starting with templates that actually learn. In the launch video, I promised self-optimizing templates, and V1 of that is officially live. So your templates now compete against each other, and the designs winning the most attention get picked more often for your future pins. It's kind of like recursive self-improvement, but for your Pinterest pins. And one more piece of control that a ton of sellers asked for is repinning. So it always worked where Autopilot cycles back to your best listings after 60 days, and it grabs a different image from that listing, so Pinterest sees fresh content every single time. But now you can actually control exactly how often that happens. So if you want your best listing repinned every 7 days, you can go for it. Otherwise, if you'd rather wait 60 days between repins, you can do that too. And after you set this setting, it's all controlled automatically via Autopilot. And now it's time to get into what is almost certainly my favorite update of this new release, AI vision in your pins. So here's the thing. The whole point of Autopilot is to actually run on Autopilot. But if you're a serious Etsy seller, your listings aren't just the art. You've got sales slides, info cards, size charts, and all those marketing images mixed right in with your actual designs. And as time goes on, and Autopilot cycles through your listing images to create fresh pins, the last thing you want is a pin built off your size chart. Well, now Downpour uses AI vision to actually look at every image before it gets pinned. As it cycles through your listings, it sees each image the way a person would, and it skips anything that looks like a sales slide or an info card instead of the actual art design. And I'll be completely honest here, running AI vision on every image does cost a little bit extra in processing on our end, but it is absolutely worth it to make this automation and your pins as good as they can possibly be. Because that's the standard I want for this entire system. You flip it on and every single pin that goes out actually represents your art. Plus, this feature gives us the ability to do even more crazy stuff with this automation as time goes on. And on that note, in case you missed it, here are a few things from the last video that are already paying people back. The share and save links are built into every pin, which means Etsy can give you back 4% on sales that come through your pins. Like I mentioned, we have board matching that is completely automatic once you set it up. So all your listings from your spring prints shop section can go to your spring board without you touching anything. And a little bonus, because I know the details in a software like this really matter, if your queue ever runs dry, you get a nice little reminder email, and with just one click, your queue is totally refilled. The full breakdown is in the last video, and I'll link that below. So with all that said, if you're using Downpour and you haven't set this up yet, it genuinely takes about 2 minutes. Click the Pinterest button in the top left of Downpour, connect your account, then you just pick your posting cadence and approve your pins. And that's it. I am super proud of Downpour because now it gives you free traffic on Autopilot, plus bulk upscaling, cropping, mocking up, and uploading to Etsy, all under one community membership. Now, if you want access to all of this, it's actually all included with the AI Art Sellers Collective down below. I really mean it when I say there's no upsells and no gating. I just wanted there to be one membership with everything, plus a community of high-level sellers doing this every single day. So if you want to build a real Etsy business with the most powerful automations out there, come join us in the community. Otherwise, this entire update came from your feedback, so keep it coming. Feel free to leave a comment below or send me a DM on School. I read every single one. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and as always, thank you for being you. These updates are completely live for everyone in the community, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on it. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.